Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this beautiful box braid. Yes, in today's videos I have to apologize, guys. I have to apologize first. I have deleted the beginning of the videos not knowing, and then when I came to do some editing I realized that it's gone. So all in all, at the beginning of the video, you just what's in there, you just have to section your hair. So normally what I do, I use my mirror and then my phones and then section my hair and tie them with rubber band. And after I'm done with that, as you see in the video, I go in one by one, pull one section, lay down very well, and then wrap it again. Since I'm using a big braid, so I wrap it with the rubber band and then go again and get my extension, wrap the extension first around the hair, and then I start braid from there, as you see in the video. So the video is playing slowly so that you can able to see and learn something out of it. Here I'm gonna repeat the same thing I have done at the beginning. So you have to pay attention to this. At first I had, okay, remember that I already sectioned the hair, so again I untie the hair and make sure to tie the hair very well using the gel or whatever thing you have. Make sure the hair is well wrapped down, and then after that you can go in with your extension. So the reason why I use rubber band, and you can actually do whatever you want to without rubber band or however, but the reason I'm having rubber band because the braids I have, I'm using first of all Brazilian wool, and that's another hard extension, and secondly it's very big, so for me to have a very tight and well secure ground, so I have to tie it with rubber band. So I hope that clarifies something in the mind. So with that, after rubbing the hair down with the rubber band, then I take some section. You can see I didn't divide the hair into 3 sections. I only have 2. When you flip it, you have to. So I took one section and wrap to cover the rubber band. After covering the rubber band, I went in to braid. So I divided the hair. After starting braiding, I start to divide the hair into 3 sections. Along the way, I pick some from this part, braid, and then again pick some from the other part, braid it together, and together I have the same size. Yes, at this point the hair is done. Yeah, it's very short one, but the hair is done, and you can accessorize it or you can leave it like that. That's up to you, but for me I went in and accessorized it with silver thing. How do you even call it? Anyway, that's the accessory I put into the hair, and that's it. And guys, don't forget the music in the background. It's not a professional music, I know, but my daughter did it. She's a student, so yeah, I'm thankful she gave me something that it accompany my video. But anyways, thank you so much, guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up in the comment section, or tell me anything you want me to know. Put it in the comment section. Let me see it and let me know. I will reply back to you. So ciao for now. See you next time.